Come drop here. Let's clear something up. We make rocking horses and wooden chickens. iPods, not so much. This current iPod, Radio Shack has loads of accessories like headphones, transmitters, cool cases, many at 20 to 50% off. So for iPod stuff, go to Radio Shack. If you need a new caboose for your train,
Yeah.
All the stuff you need to go with all the stuff you got.